Hey there, creators. Are you ready to take your YouTube game to the next level? Today, I'm spilling the tea on how you can use the new ChatGPT Store to completely automate your YouTube video creation process. Yep, you heard that right. Viral videos, minimal effort, maximum results. Sounds good? Let's jump in and break it down step by step. All right, step 1, picking the right niche. This is where the magic really begins. Think of your niche as the foundation of your YouTube success. Without a strong foundation, everything else crumbles. So how do you choose? Start by asking yourself, what topics am I passionate about? Or, what do people keep searching for? Some of the evergreen niches include self-improvement, finance, tech, and yes, fitness and health. For instance, self-improvement covers everything from productivity hacks to morning routines and motivational habits. These are topics that people always want more of. But here's the thing, don't just pick what's popular. Pick something you genuinely enjoy because you'll be creating a lot of content in this area. Love gaming? Go for it. Obsessed with tech gadgets? Dive in. When you're excited about your niche, it shows, and your audience will feel that energy. Now for the fun part, heading to the ChatGPT Store. Think of this as your creative playground. This is where you'll find plugins that can basically do half your work for you. It's like hiring a personal assistant, but way cheaper and faster. Whether you need help scripting, finding the perfect visuals, or even creating voiceovers, there's a plugin for that. Once you're in the store, look for tools specifically tailored for YouTube creators. Trust me, they'll save you hours of work. And who doesn't love a little time-saving hack, right? Let's say you want to create a video about morning habits of millionaires, a topic people are obsessed with. First, use the script generator plugin. In just a few clicks, you'll have a fully fleshed out script that's detailed, professional, and super engaging. And don't forget, you can tweak it. Want a conversational tone? Done. Prefer something inspiring? Easy. Need it to sound like you? Adjust it. But here's the kicker. Don't just copy and paste what it gives you. Add your own flavor. Share your personal tips or a funny story. Think of the script as the skeleton and your personality as the soul. That's what makes it come alive. Once your script is ready, it's time to move to the next step, voiceovers. This is where you can really bring your content to life. If you're not comfortable recording your voice, no worries. Use a voiceover plugin to generate natural, human-like narrations. The technology is so advanced now that you can barely tell the difference. But if you want to connect with your audience on a deeper level, try recording the voiceover yourself. Don't worry about sounding perfect. Your authenticity is what people are looking for. And here's a tip. Play around with your tone. Emphasize key points, pause for effect, and keep it dynamic. A monotone voice is a one-way ticket to next video clicks. Keep them listening. All right, let's talk visuals. This is where the magic truly happens because, let's be honest, we all love eye-catching content. With tools like Pictory or other AI video creators, you can simply upload your script and voila, it generates a video for you. But don't stop there. Use these tools as a starting point. Add your own twists. Maybe some custom animations, a touch of 3D effects, or even branded elements to make it uniquely yours. If you're working on a trendy niche like tech or gaming, visuals matter even more. Keep them snappy, vibrant, and engaging. Your audience is visual first. Hook them with what they see. Now, here's a tip not enough people talk about: crafting the perfect hook. Your first 5 seconds? Crucial. That's where your audience decides whether to stick around or move on. Start with a bold statement, an intriguing question, or even a surprising fact. Something like, did you know that 90% of millionaires swear by this one morning habit? That's it, that's your hook. Then follow it up with value. Don't waste your audience's time. Give them actionable tips, fascinating insights, or practical takeaways they can't find elsewhere. Speaking of value, let's not forget your call to action. At the end of your video, don't just say like and subscribe. Tell your audience why. For example, if you want more insider tips like this, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. make it personal, make it engaging, make them want to stick around for your next video. And now, the part everyone's curious about, monetization. It's not just about the AdSense revenue, although that's great too. You can include affiliate links in your video description. If you're talking about tools or resources, link them. People appreciate recommendations, and you can earn a commission. It's a win-win. Plus, if you're consistent, these small streams of income can add up over time. There you have it. You've just learned how to automate your YouTube videos using the ChatGPT Store. From brainstorming ideas to creating scripts, voiceovers, and visuals, all in one streamlined process. The best part? You don't need to spend hours editing or planning. These tools have got your back. So, what's stopping you? Go try it out. Create your first automated video and let me know how it turns out. I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can keep learning how to dominate YouTube with tips like these. Until next time, happy creating!